Hi everyone, this is a haul video. Oh, hang on a second. Yeah, this is a haul video. Um, the other day when I did the Walmart, excuse me, and a Dollarama haul, I forgot to include I got this at Walmart. Now, this, my favorite color. It's, uh, it's a metallic, it's a blue sapphire. And I was running out of it and I couldn't find it. I kept looking for it. I kept looking. Finally, the Walmart that I went to had it, so I got that color. And I also got this. It's blue topaz, metallic. They're beautiful colors. Anyhow, okay, so I got those two, and also a Dollarama the other day. I got this. It's they're peel and stick wall. They're wall tiles. I figure they would be cute to put on a project. They had different sizes and that, so I bought these. These are good for like smaller pieces of art. So that's what I got. And yeah, so now what damage did I do today? I went to two places. I went to Dollar General, and I also went to there's a small dollar store. It's called Dollar Encore, and the last time I was in there was when my son was a little boy. So, I mean, he's like 45 now. So, I mean, it's been a long, long time. Anyhow, they had some craft items in that, I remember at the time. So once in a while I drive by there and I think I gotta go in there one day. So that's what I did. On my way back from Dollar General, I went into Dollar Encore. The thing is, they don't have anything anymore in craft items, but I did pick up a few items that they did have. So what I got was I got the 2020 calendar. Puppies. Look at that. So cute. So I got that. And I also I got this from there. I figured I got so many like markers and that, and they're in a basket. But the thing is, I want to put them in because it's easier to store. It makes some more room on my never-ending table of stuff. I got a magnifying glass. I think what I want to do with this, yeah, what I want to do, I'm gonna alter this in some way. That's why I got that. At some point, I will alter it. I got oh yeah, I got these batteries. Now I've been looking for number 6 batteries, AG6 batteries, and I hope for a watch that I have. I hope these fit. And I got the large index cards. They're 4x6, so they're what do you call it? Postcard size. So that's why I got these. The other ones that usually get are like 3x5 or something. What else did I get there? I think that's all I got there. Yeah. I think. Let me just look. Okay. So that's it. Now, oh, Dollar General. All that. from Dollar General. So I'm gonna go through that. Let's see. I found, look at these. They're unicorn buttons. Those are cute. Okay. And I got this. This I got for, I'm gonna try something with this at some point. It's a bamboo placemat. Okay, it's not really that big. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try something I want to try with that. I don't know if it'll work out, but we'll see. That's for a future project. Right now I'm just taking a break from my steampunk duckmobile because my table is such a mess. I got so much stuff on there. I want to put some stuff away before I continue with that. I got, let me see. Come on, where is it? Nope, that's not it. That's not it either. Okay, I also got these napkins, and I got, look at this owl. Now these are like $2.50 a package, and that's because there's 30 of them in here, and they're big. Those, and I went specifically because I wanted purple napkins, and Dollarama doesn't have purple napkins, and I found them at Dollar General. I want to make my own Halloween themed napkins. That's why I got those. What else did I get? Okay. I got red line tape, and I got two-way tape in different widths. These two are the same width, but this one is more narrow. Oh, I'm running out, so I got those. Let's see. I got this invoice book, and I got this one. Look how big that is. That's great for ephemera, for junk journal pages in it. So that's why I got those. I got, I couldn't find my Velcro glue, so I bought some. I got, of course, jumbo playing cards. And I also got these playing cards. I'm gonna open this. I want to see. Oh, I love, oh my God. Wait till you see the Joker. Hang on. Advertising for Walgreens. Shop at Walgreens. Well, we don't have Walgreens here. Oh, look at these jokers. Look at that jokers. Oh my God. I love these. Oh, cool. And a playwright. Okay, that's the ace. It's the jokers and the ace of spades in the deck of cards that are very interesting. Okay, so there's only two jokers. Sometimes there's three jokers in a pack. Sometimes it's like a black and white joker. These ones are colored. Well, that's cool. That's what I wanted. Okay. So like in these jumbo playing cards, let me see. I will show you. I will show you. Get that. See, that's the black and white one. Is there glare? There. So where's the ace of spades? Okay. That's the ace of spades. Okay. Back. What else did I get? I got this plastic bags, Ziploc ones. They're good for little stuff, and that when I send stuff out. Also in a Happy Mail, little small items. Put them in there. Okay, and that's it. These. Okay, that's it. I got charms. These charms is the music charms of the guitar, music notes, and a clef. I don't know if you can see that. There. Is that better? No, can't really see that. It's too dark. Something lighter. There, that's better. And I also got, it's got seahorses and starfish and turtles charms. So that's it. That's another haul. So on Monday, I don't know what the heck is that. Something on there. On Monday, I think I might take a trip to Michael's. Oh, wait a minute. I got something else. I found these stamps. Look, I thought they were stickers at first, but they're not. They're stamps. Look at that unicorn. And look at this. That's the sea. Look at that jellyfish. Sorry about the glare. Yeah, it's better. And look at these faces. Oh, I love these. Look at that. Look at those. Those are stamps. Anyhow, they're clear stamps. Anyhow, that's it. Okay. All right, so I'll see you. I'll see you guys later, and I'll be working again on my my duckmobile on the weekend. So I'll see you then. Have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later. You know what? Can you please leave me a comment? Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Give me a like and share my videos. I would so much appreciate that from you guys. Anyhow, that's it. Ciao.